Searching for the best spinner luggage for smooth travel? A high-quality spinner suitcase can completely upgrade your travel experience, making every journey more organized, faster, and stress-free. Whether you're heading on a business trip, family vacation, or quick weekend getaway, the right luggage matters. Look for features like 360-degree smooth wheels, lightweight construction, durable hard or soft shell protection, and TSA-approved locks for added security. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Harvest and hit the notification bell so you never miss honest travel gear reviews and top-rated travel products. Be sure to check the description below for the latest prices and exclusive travel deals to help you travel smarter and save more. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Level 8 Grace Carry-On Luggage. The Level 8 Grace Carry-On Luggage is a smart choice for travelers who want style, security, and convenience. Its 20-inch expandable hard shell protects your belongings from bumps, scratches, and travel damage. Smooth spinner wheels glide easily through busy airports, making movement effortless. The TSA-approved lock keeps your valuables safe and secure during every trip. Its lightweight build helps reduce lifting strain, while the organized interior compartments make packing simple and efficient. The bright blue color adds a modern and stylish touch. Perfect for both men and women, this carry-on fits airline overhead bins easily and makes short trips stress-free. Number 2. Swissgear Scion Soft Side Expandable Luggage. The Swissgear Scion Soft Side Expandable Luggage is built for comfort and reliable travel performance. Its 25-inch medium checked size is perfect for trips lasting 1 to 7 nights. The 360-degree spinner wheels roll smoothly in every direction, helping you move easily through airports and hotels. A retractable handle offers a comfortable grip and adjusts to your height. The expandable feature gives extra room when you need more packing space. Its soft side material adds flexibility while protecting your belongings. The sleek black design looks clean and professional, making it a great choice for frequent travelers who want durability, organization, and stress-free travel. Number 3. Travel Pro Max Lite 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage. The Travel Pro Max Lite 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage is designed for lightweight and easy travel. Its 25-inch checked medium size is perfect for business trips, vacations, and family travel. 4 smooth spinner wheels allow effortless movement in every direction, reducing travel stress in crowded airports. The soft side fabric offers flexibility and helps maximize packing space. Its expandable design gives you extra room for souvenirs or extra clothes when needed. The shadow gray color looks stylish and works well for both men and women. Strong handles, reliable zippers, and organized compartments make packing simple. This suitcase offers comfort, durability, and dependable travel performance. Number 4. Away Carry-On Luggage. The Away Carry-On Luggage combines modern style with practical travel features for smooth and comfortable trips. Its lightweight 22-inch hard shell design protects your belongings while fitting perfectly in most airline overhead bins. Smooth spinner wheels roll quietly in every direction, making airport travel easy and stress-free. The TSA-approved lock adds strong security for your valuables during flights. Its cloud gray finish looks elegant, clean, and stylish for both business and personal travel. Strong handles and a smart interior layout make packing simple and organized. This suitcase is ideal for short trips, weekend travel, and frequent flyers who value convenience and style. Number 5. Level 8 Hard Shell Carry-On Luggage. The Level 8 Hard Shell Carry-On Luggage offers durability, security, and a sleek, professional look for modern travelers. Its 20-inch airline-approved size fits easily into overhead compartments, making it perfect for short trips and business travel. The lightweight hard shell body protects your belongings from damage while resisting scratches with its textured finish. Smooth spinner wheels glide quietly across airport floors for easy movement. The built-in TSA lock adds extra protection and peace of mind during your journey. Its spacious interior keeps packing organized and simple. The black design looks elegant and practical, making this suitcase a reliable travel companion everywhere. Number 6. Samsonite Winfield 2 Hard Side Expandable Luggage. The Samsonite Winfield 2 hard-side expandable luggage is a strong and stylish choice for long trips and family vacations. Its large 28-inch check size offers plenty of room for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials. The durable hard shell protects your belongings from rough handling and airport damage. Smooth spinner wheels glide quietly in every direction, making movement easy and comfortable. The expandable design gives extra packing space for souvenirs or additional items. Its brushed anthracite finish looks modern and helps hide scratches. Organized interior compartments keep everything neat, making travel simpler, smoother, and far less stressful.
Number 7. Travel Pro Crew Classic Carry-On Luggage. The Travel Pro Crew Classic Carry-On Luggage is designed for lightweight convenience and smooth travel performance. Its 21-inch carry-on size fits easily in most airline overhead compartments, making it perfect for short business trips or weekend travel. The soft side design offers flexibility, while the expandable feature adds extra packing space when needed. Its 8-wheel spinner system moves effortlessly in every direction for stress-free airport navigation. The Patriot blue color looks stylish and modern for both men and women. Strong zippers, comfortable handles, and organized interior compartments make packing simple and reliable for every journey. Number 8. Away Large Checked Luggage. The Away Large Checked Luggage is perfect for travelers who need maximum packing space with modern style and strong protection. Its large 29-inch hard-shell design keeps belongings safe from bumps, drops, and rough handling during travel. Smooth spinner wheels roll easily in all directions, helping you move through airports without effort. The built-in TSA-approved lock adds extra security and peace of mind. Its jet black finish looks sleek, professional, and timeless for every type of traveler. The spacious interior makes packing simple for long vacations, family trips, or international travel with excellent comfort and reliability.
Number 9. Travel Pro Max Lite 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage. The Travel Pro Max Lite 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage is a lightweight and practical suitcase built for everyday travel needs. Its compact size fits well in overhead bins, making it perfect for carry-on use and short trips. 4 smooth spinner wheels provide easy movement in every direction, reducing stress in busy airports. The expandable feature gives you extra packing room when needed without carrying another bag. Its soft-side design adds flexibility and fits easily into tight spaces. Strong handles, reliable zippers, and organized compartments make packing simple. This suitcase offers comfort, durability, and dependable travel convenience. Number 10. Travel Pro Max Lite 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage Forest Green. The Travel Pro Max Lite 5 Soft Side Expandable Luggage in Forest Green offers lightweight comfort with stylish travel performance. Its 25-inch checked medium size is perfect for vacations, business trips, and week-long travel plans. 4 spinner wheels roll smoothly in every direction, making airport movements simple and effortless. The expandable design adds extra space for clothes, gifts, or souvenirs when needed. Its soft-side material provides flexibility while protecting your belongings during transit. The forest green color stands out beautifully on luggage carousels and looks modern for both men and women. This suitcase makes packing organized, smooth, and stress-free.
Number 11. Hank Top Opening 24-inch Luggage. The Hank Top Opening 24-inch Luggage is a strong and practical suitcase designed for smooth and stress-free travel. Its aluminum frame and all-PC hard shell provide excellent protection for your belongings during checked trips. The top-opening design allows quick access to essentials without fully unpacking your suitcase. Smooth spinner wheels glide easily through airports, while the wide handle offers a comfortable grip for better control. With a spacious 69-liter capacity, it fits clothes, shoes, and travel essentials perfectly. The TSA-approved lock adds extra security, and the smoke-white finish gives it a clean, modern, and stylish appearance. Number 12. Travel Pro Tour Lite Soft Side Expandable Luggage. The Travel Pro Tour Lite Soft Side Expandable Luggage is a lightweight and stylish suitcase perfect for medium-length trips and vacations. Its 25-inch checked medium size provides enough room for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials without feeling bulky. 4 smooth spinner wheels roll easily in every direction, helping you move through airports with less stress. The expandable design gives extra space when needed for souvenirs or extra packing. Its soft side material offers flexibility and reliable protection for your belongings.
The deep purple color looks elegant and stands out on busy baggage carousels, making travel simple, organized, and comfortable.
Number 13. Swissgear 7366 Signature Hardside Luggage. The Swissgear 7366 Signature Hardside Luggage is built for durability, security, and easy travel. Its 23-inch medium checked size offers enough space for clothes and essentials while fitting airline baggage requirements perfectly. The strong, hard shell protects your belongings from bumps, drops, and rough handling during trips. Smooth spinner wheels glide quietly in every direction, making airport movements simple and comfortable. The expandable feature adds extra packing room when needed, while the TSA-approved lock keeps your valuables secure. Its sleek black design looks clean, modern, and professional, making it a reliable suitcase for frequent travelers. Number 14. Legend Walker 19-inch Carry-On. The Legend Walker 19-inch carry-on luggage combines smart features with lightweight travel convenience. Its front-opening design allows quick access to your laptop, clothes, or essentials without opening the full suitcase. The hard shell protects your belongings from bumps and scratches, while the expandable feature gives extra room when needed. Smooth 360-degree spinner wheels make moving through airports effortless and quiet. A built-in TSA lock adds strong security for worry-free travel. The cup holder keeps drinks close, and the USB port helps charge devices on the go. This carry-on is perfect for short trips and business travel.
Number 15. Traveler's Choice Ultimax 2 Hardside Luggage. The Traveler's Choice Ultimax 2 Hardside Luggage offers durability, smooth movement, and stylish design for comfortable travel. Its 28-inch medium trunk size provides spacious packing for longer trips, family vacations, or business travel. The strong polycarbonate hard shell protects belongings from damage while staying lightweight and easy to carry. Smooth spinner wheels glide effortlessly in every direction, helping you move quickly through airports and hotels. The matte navy finish looks modern and hides scratches well. Comfortable handles, strong zippers, and organized compartments make packing simple, delivering reliability, protection, and convenience for every journey. Number 16. Kenneth Cole Reaction Out of Bounds Luggage. The Kenneth Cole Reaction Out of Bounds Luggage is a stylish and lightweight suitcase designed for smooth and comfortable travel. Its 24-inch checked size offers enough room for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials for both short and longer trips. The durable hard-shell exterior protects your belongings from bumps, scratches, and rough airport handling. 4 smooth spinner wheels glide easily in every direction, making airport navigation simple and stress-free. The bright scarlet red color helps you spot your luggage quickly on baggage claim belts. Strong handles and organized interior compartments make packing easy, secure, and convenient for every journey.
Number 17. Iwaney Zipperless Carry-On Luggage. The Iwaney Zipperless Carry-On Luggage offers modern security, durability, and smart travel convenience. Its polycarbonate and aluminum hard-shell design protects your belongings while keeping the suitcase lightweight and reliable. The zipperless closure adds extra security and gives it a clean, premium look for frequent travelers. Smooth spinner wheels roll quietly in every direction, helping you move easily through busy airports. The expandable design provides extra packing room when needed, while the cabin-approved size fits perfectly in most overhead compartments. Its silver finish looks sleek and professional, making it a stylish and practical choice for both business and personal travel. Number 18. Briggs & Riley Medium Expandable Spinner. The Briggs & Riley Medium Expandable Spinner is built for premium comfort, durability, and long-term travel reliability. Its 26-inch checked size offers generous packing space for vacations, business trips, and extended travel plans. The soft side design provides flexibility while remaining strong enough for frequent use. Smooth spinner wheels glide effortlessly through airports, hotels, and busy streets for stress-free movement. Its expandable feature adds extra packing room when needed, and the self-repairing zipper provides extra confidence during every trip. Its sleek black finish looks professional and timeless, making it a trusted choice for both men and women travelers.
Number 19. Olixis 25-inch Carry-On Luggage. The Olixis 25-inch carry-on luggage is a practical and stylish suitcase made for business trips and smooth travel experiences. Its durable design keeps belongings protected while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Smooth spinner wheels glide quietly in every direction, making airport navigation simple and comfortable. The TSA-approved lock adds extra security and helps with hassle-free airport inspections.
Its spacious interior allows neat organization for clothes, shoes, and travel essentials. The sleek black color gives it a professional and modern appearance. This suitcase fits travel needs perfectly and makes every trip more organized and stress-free. Number 20. Cool Life 3-Piece Luggage Set. The Cool Life 3-Piece Luggage Set offers flexibility, style, and convenience for every type of traveler. This set includes 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch suitcases, giving you the perfect size for weekend trips, vacations, or long family travel. The lightweight hard-shell exterior protects your belongings from bumps and scratches during transport. Smooth spinner wheels allow easy rolling in every direction, reducing travel stress in airports and hotels. Built-in TSA locks provide added security for peace of mind. The beautiful purple finish adds a stylish touch, while spacious interiors make packing simple, organized, and comfortable for every journey.
Thanks for watching today's top travel picks from Gadget Harvest. If you love discovering smart travel gear that makes your trips easier and more enjoyable, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out on the best travel deals. Got a question or want to see a specific travel product reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel smart, stay inspired, and enjoy every journey.